What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So it's Baba Friday, guys. I've been looking at Baba practically every Friday for about a few years now, quite a long time. And if you're interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you like the content and you learned something valuable, make sure you hit the like button down below as well. So let's take a look at what happened since this week, Wednesday. Well, technically, really hasn't been doing much. You can see that Thursday and Friday, we're kind of just still trading around this little range pattern. If I just zoom in, it's just staying between the 74.59 and the $73 levels. So just a small little range going on right here. So not much has changed, which means that the downward price action is still looking strong because we're still below this trend line right here, still below the EMA, and we still have room towards the downside of the range. So there's still a lot of room right over here. So this is my target in the short term, and depending on if we get a bounce or not, or what type of price action we get over here, will tell me if we're gonna move up higher or are we gonna just break down lower. So we'll see what happens once we get there, but as of now, it's a high possibility that we do see price get there. I don't see a lot of things stopping it. Maybe this little trend line right here, but that's basically at the same price level, and there's not a lot of support on the left side of the chart over here. So it can easily just drop down lower probably next week. So overall, still looking bearish for Baba in the short term. We'll see if things can change in the future, but as right now, that's all I see. Same analysis as last time. Not much has changed. And this day is just, this closing of the week is slightly more bearish than where it started on Monday. So that's all I have for Baba on the daily chart. See what else we can find on the weekly chart. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red weeks in a row. So you can see that the aggressive selling is picking up. We have a red week this week. It's about to close red. It's not guaranteed yet, but either way, it's still bearish. And most likely, we're going to be seeing price continue down lower. I'm expecting price to reach the 70.53. And if it's really bearish, it can break down lower to reach the $67, $66 level. And then the all-time lows at the $59 levels. So those are my downward targets. We'll see what happens when price gets there. If price does move up higher, there's a lot of overhead resistance. The first one being the $80 level, and then this downward trend line right over here. So a lot of downward resistance is in play, and most likely we're going to still see lower prices. I don't think this bear market is over. It is probably coming to an end. It's not doing a sharp downtrend like we're getting right now. This is more of a shallower downtrend. But the bad part is that this takes longer to play out. So this was probably of a quicker drop, and now we're just going shallow, and it's taken quite a long time to bottom out and eventually possibly reverse. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, that's what the chart is telling me. Chart is telling me that the market participants are still looking for shorts. They're still holding on their short positions, looking for lower prices. I don't see any reversal signs as of right now, or things that would tell traders to get out of their short positions or to stop entering short positions. So as right now, it's bearish short-term and long-term. Long-term meaning the next couple of months, even several months, and short-term meaning the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. So that's all I have on the daily and weekly charts for Baba this week, Friday. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.